Hello, and welcome to Trade Desmo. A couple days ago, I posted a video regarding blinging a hurricane glass. In the video, I spray painted this clear acrylic glass that I received, and I showed you how I spray painted it, how we blinged it, and the process I used, the honeycomb method and all that. And usually when I post videos, I put in the descriptions things that I used in the video, as well as I give you suggestions on things that you could or could not use in case if you don't want to use what I exactly used. And rest assured, when I put those in the description, I've already done the homework, the research on them, read several reviews to make sure that they were a good product before I actually gave them as a suggestion. Of course, I'm not the creator of the product, so I can't say whether or not they're good. I can just give you my best suggestion based on the different types of materials I use. So with that being said, after I blinged the cup and I included all the things I used, my hurricane glasses that I used came from a place called Tudor's Promotions. And they were the clear acrylic glasses, very durable. I love them. Those are really the only ones that I get. However, when I was doing the research to give you other suggestions, I ran across these other ones that I just felt compelled to come on here and do a product review because I was really impressed with them. And I'm gonna give you the contrast, the pros and the cons of using the one that I used in the video as opposed to this that I think, because I was really impressed, but I'm gonna show you. They're called, and I had to look it up, it was Lalisa 12-piece neon colors, plastic hurricane glasses. So, as an example, this is the one from Tudor's. Clear, they're acrylic. Of course, in the suggestions I give you, if you want to use glass, I gave you some for glass, but these are clear acrylic. You can press on them, they don't go in. They're like really good quality. Now these that I ordered from the Lalisa, my complaint, the box came damaged. So it made me kind of, look how scrunched up. It was like the post office was drop kicking it or something, I don't know. But it made me nervous because I was like, well, okay, the glasses, even though they promote them being unbreakable, and I found them on Amazon, they promote them being unbreakable, so I was kind of skeptical. But when I opened them, boom, these are already pre-colored. So let's just say if you want to do something with one of them, or if you, I don't know if you plan on selling these kind of hurricane glasses, if you decide to do them, bling them. But if you come up with a color, one of these kind of colors, you're in business because they're already colored. I had to express that enough because you know I can't stand spray painting. And I was so impressed with the quality of these. Same, they don't push in, nothing. So in comparison to the originals, the Tudors, this is saying, when on the website on the Tudors is saying it was 16 ounces. This is 15 ounces. I don't see the difference. The only difference I see in the two glasses is that the bottom of the Tudors looks like this, and this is what this looks like. You still have the same ball type of thing. It's just not as big, but seriously, who cares? And to me, the mouth is wider on this. I mean, don't get me wrong. I like these, but I was so impressed with the colors. You get a yellow, you get two each, is 12. So you get a yellow, you get red. So if I had this in the video that I did, I wouldn't have had to go through the spray painting. It's already I mean, I'm telling you, you just don't understand. Orange. So if you like orange, it's a little bright, but they're beautiful, beautiful bright. Blue. When I was doing these glasses, I got a lot of requests for blue. So blue, I'm gonna show you in a minute, lined up. Pink, that's a real beautiful pink. And when I tell you, these are so sturdy. Pink, and lastly, your color's green. This comes real in handy, especially since it's about to be St. Patrick's Day. So even like I said, the height-wise and everything, it's pretty much the same. So I'm gonna pull these out and then I'm gonna show y'all what they look like lined up when I move the camera. So that's with the camera moved. These are gorgeous. So I highly recommend this. This turned out really good in me suggesting these for those who are interested in doing these colors. Now, of course, with the original, what if you don't want these colors? That's where you go into doing the spray painting with the clear. And you can make it any color you want. So say if somebody wants a purple glass, I'm gonna have to go back to my original, which I love. I'm gonna have to go back to the original and do the color that I don't have. But first thing, when somebody asks for one of these colors, that's a time and game changer. I just wanted to come on here and show y'all that because I was blown away by the quality. Great quality. Time changer. You work smarter, not harder, as much as you can. Thanks for watching.